Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome to our first lecture where we actually talk about a tool that you can use for yourself to enhance and create your images, your own images for social media use. It's called Social Media Image Maker. It's an online tool. You can use it whenever you want, from wherever you want, and you can create stunning images and with the right sizes that you can use, for example, for your profile image on Facebook, okay, or LinkedIn or Twitter, to create your cover photo on Facebook, okay, or to create different types of posts also for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or whatever type of social media you are using. This is the main page of the app. As you can see, you can find the app here at this link that you see here in my browser, okay, outroplanet.com/app. Social media image maker. So just write this down, okay, or copy it into your browser, and you will have access to this tool immediately. You don't have to create any type of account. It's completely free, so you don't have to worry that anybody will have your email address and send you all the time different promotions. Okay, this is a free tool that you can use exactly as I've told you before, from wherever you want, whenever you want. So let's start to see exactly how you can use this tool. It's actually very simple. You can see that here in the left side of the screen you have a menu, okay, for every social media platform that you can use this tool for. For example, you have Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Google Plus, Flickr, Vimeo. You have a lot of social media platforms here. Most probably you will use it for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Maybe some of you guys are using Tumblr, also Pinterest and YouTube, but most of the people are using it for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, exactly as I've told you before. So, for example, you select Facebook. Okay, this is the first one, and you have here different types of templates that you can use the platform for. You have cover image, okay, to create your cover photo. You have profile image. You have normal posts. You have highlighted posts, okay. Event, if you create events on Facebook, for example, maybe you have a business, you have a restaurant or club or pub or something like that, okay, and you are creating events all the time. It's very important to have an attractive image for your event that you have created. Okay, application images, maybe you are creating different types of apps on your page. Also, you need a very good image. So for example, let's choose the profile image so you guys can see exactly how this app works. You just press the button create here, okay, and the editor will load. Now the first thing that you will do is to add your file, okay, and I will show you an example. Okay, I will choose a photo. For example, let us choose this photo, okay. This image can be used for, it's a very good image that can be used for a profile image, but it doesn't have the right size, okay, and also we can make some enhancements to it. So for example, this is the right size, okay, for a Facebook profile image. We click the button apply, okay, then we can add some different effects from here, from this upper menu. Okay, for example, we can add this effect, we can add Wild West, okay, Mr. Spock. This one looks really nice, Woodstock. So we have different effects. This image this photo was already a professional photo, so it doesn't need enhancements. But if you want different types of effects, for example, this one can be a very good type of effects. Okay, 80s, it looks very nice. After that, you have, okay, you press the button okay, you have other enhancements that you can make. For example, sharpen the photo, okay, blur the photo, you can add more noise, okay, to the photo, desaturate the photo. You can focus the photo. For example, this is a very good effect that a lot of people add, focus line. It gives it a professional look if you just focus on the subject in a profile image. For example, we can select the focus line, and these kinds of give it an even more professional look. In my opinion, if you have seen videos or different types of professional photos, the ones that give you the most credibility and trust and also professional look, okay, have this separation between the subject, the main subject, and the rest of the background. Okay, the background, most of the times it's blurred, okay, and it gives you a more professional look. Now we just go to see if we can make any other enhancements. Okay, you can choose the name of the photo, okay, for example, and you can choose the type of the photo if you want it to be a PNG or an or the standard one, okay, the JPEG, okay, standard. And after that you just download the image. Okay, thank you for waiting while downloading your file. You will see your file is downloaded here. You just press on show in folder and you will have access to it instantly. Obviously, when you download it, you can instantly share it, and this is a very cool function on Facebook, Twitter, or wherever you wanted to use it for, okay, for whatever platform you wanted to use it for. So now we press cancel, and that's it. That's how simple it is to use Social Media Image Maker. So you can practically resize and enhance your images for your profiles, covers, and posts in just a couple of seconds or minutes. Okay, so I hope this will be helpful for you guys. I hope that you will find this tool very useful, because you can actually create very fast, very good images for your social media accounts. Thank you again for your attention. You know already you are awesome, and I will see you in our next lecture. I send you my best wishes. Sorin here.